engage the people with in your view?
I know my beauty with a purpose is really new in the eyes of the people right now kasi I am more of focusing on elderly and sana po kung mabigyan po ng opportunity yung Pangga project ko po to bring it into the national stage, sana po mapansin ito kasi we all know that elderlies are one of the most vulnerable people here in our country and sana po mapansin yung mga basic needs nila at saka sana po mabigyan natin sila ng magandang buhay. Kasi syempre, sila din yung mga taong nagpalaki sa atin. At saka gusto ko din po itong gawin to honor my grandmother.
Thank you, JB.
Thank you, Tito Norma.
Good luck.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Ma. Hello po. Day. Siguro ang gagawin ko po first as I win Miss World Philippines is to go back to my roots and that is to visit my lola in our small town in Davao region. And also alam niyo naman po yung lola ko, friendly din. At saka gusto ko din po itong maging way para makausap ko yung mga friends niya na mga elderly. Baka po may mga kailangan po sila at mabigyan ko po sila ng mga kailangan po nila.
Di ba na-mention mo na before tayo about flowers, di ba?
Yes! Alam mo, as what I've told you before that I have more than 10 dogs and more than 10 cats. And as far as I know, like yesterday ko lang sila kinamusta, they were all okay naman. And I have one dog na mag-birthday this January 21 and he's also a survivor for a heart problem. But he's here in Manila, so I'm really taking care of him.
So thank you so much.
Thank you! Thank you! Hello po!
Hi, for the benefit of our viewers, please introduce yourself and what inspires you to join Miss World Philippines.
Hi everyone, I am Javelin Lorejo representing Davao Region. Ano po yung question? Sorry.
What inspires you to join Miss World Philippines?
What inspires me to be the next Miss World Philippines is that the goal of and the dream of my grandmother. I am someone talaga na who really pushed through for my goal and if it's instilled in my mind, I will really work hard on it. So that's the reason why I joined Miss World Philippines.
Please invite them on the upcoming final.
Hello everyone! Mabuhay at madayaw! Please do watch our coronation night at Mall of Asia Arena on February 3. And please don't forget to support me.
Social media.
And please do follow my social media accounts on Instagram. It's Javelin Lorejo. And also in my Facebook, it's Javelin Lorejo. If you want to get updates from Miss World Philippines, please do follow the social media accounts of Miss World Philippines.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Hello. Sorry po.
Paolo from Parinji News.
Hi, hello po. Hello po, Paolo.
Okay. What's your favorite segment sa Miss World Philippines?
Like today? Well, my favorite segment is the blue long dress because I am someone who walks very slow and I can feel my moment if I'm walking slowly. Kasi alam mo naman, the class and the elegance when I walk slow, di ba? Pero hindi ko naman po sinasabi na I don't like swimsuit. Maybe there's still a room for me to improve kasi as I know that all of my fellow candidates are really good at pasarela at syempre kailangan kong maging, makisabay sa kanila, di ba?
Pwede na ba natin i-reveal yung national corporation?
Oh, maybe just a hint. A hint lang. The hint will be... Natatakot ako Wait. Well, it's colorful and it makes me... And it shows pala. And it shows the true color of me. Abangan nyo. Secret na yun. Ay, taga Davao ka din. Ay, hello.
So, just invite me na kasi all the questions are raised now already.
Okay.
Just tell about the Davao News student ask them to vote for you?
Oh, please, lahat po ng mga taga Davao region, magsibayanihan na po tayo to please vote me in Sis Protect. Kasi parang naiiwan na po tayo sa top 3. At saka alam ko naman po, lahat ng mga taga Davao ay hindi po nagpapatalo. Kaya please po, supportahan niyo ako hanggang sa Coronation Night. Thank you, thank you!
So,
Hello.
We know you as Miss Davao Region. We know you now na you're a fur mom, you're a flight attendant, you
Yes.
love your Lola. Is there anything else that you want people to know about?
Do you want a fun fact or informative fact?
Any, that you want
Okay,
us to know?
I can give you two. Fun fact is that I can sleep 4 days straight without waking up. Lalo na pag pagod ako galing sa flight. And siguro an informative fact is that, I love watching old series, like American series. So, yeah, I have the patience to watch the long series kasi, di ba, alam niyo naman natin yung mga American old series, mahahaba yung mga duration and everything, di ba?
So you mentioned you love sleeping.
Yes, I love sleeping.
If you're competing in a pageant like Miss World Philippines, you would lack sleep.
I know,
So
yes.
how are you preparing for the physical needs?
Oh, physical needs is that I don't allow myself not to eat or leave the house without eating. Kasi mahiluhin po akong tao. Kaya kahit po may strict diet po ako with my team, hindi ko po talaga sila pinapakinggan. Kasi kakain po talaga ako kaysa po mahimatay po ako, di ba? At saka, if I have the chance to sleep, even with my contact lens on, even if it's in the car na umaalog-alog, matutulog po talaga ako. Kasi, syempre alam naman po natin, if kulang po kayo sa tulog, nakaka-apekto po ito sa iyong performance during the pageant itself.
So thank you so much for informative.
Diba? Informative and fun fact. Okay.
JD, how do you feel winning one of the Darlings of the Press? You're one of the freshest faces in beauty pageant right now.
It is really overwhelming for me because I'm a fresh face from a small town in Davao region, and I'm really, really grateful to all my pageant media friends to vote they vote me to be the darling of the press. At saka sana po hindi po dito magtapos yung pag-support niyo sa akin. Hanggang sana po ito, yung pag-support niyo sa akin hanggang po sa Coronation Night.
How have you been preparing in the last
Well, it is kind of hectic for me since yung mga schedule po namin with the media tour, with the sponsor visits, it was really hectic. Pero I really make sure that even if gabi na po yun, nagpapasarela training pa rin po ako, nag-Q&A training po ako. At saka, ang masasabi ko na lang po is that I am really grateful for the patience of my team kasi syempre there are times na pag umuwi po ako, inaantok po ako and they still allow me to rest before I do my training.
any beauty regimen that you can share?
Oh, my beauty regimen is that I don't know if you find it disgusting though. Kasi when I arrive at home, para na akong alam niyo yung si Joker, I put oil cleanser on my face and then I leave it for like how many minutes and then that's where I wash my face. So I was just like walking around the room or the house with my very, weird face.
Your message to everyone in that.
Mga taga Davao, ito na yung time po natin na magsibayanihan po to vote me, lalo na in Sis Protect kasi naiiwan na po tayo sa top 3. At saka alam ko naman po na lahat ng taga Davao ay hindi po nagpapatalo. So please do support me up until the Coronation Night. Thank you! I love you!